Hello and welcome to my Botany series. In this series I'm going to be talking about all things plant related, mostly specific plants, what they do, and what they can be used for. In these videos I hope that you guys learn a lot about plants, as I have, but I'm also going to be doing a lot of research on these plants because I don't really know a whole lot about plants compared to, actual scientists. So I'm going to be doing a lot of research and, hopefully through these videos, you and I learn a lot about them because these amazing green things that God has put everywhere to sustain life are honestly pretty awesome. And, we'd all be dead without them. So it's kind of cool to, learn about the things that keep us breathing. I hope you guys really like these videos. I'm going to be posting them every week. And, you know, I hope you enjoy them. Have a nice day.